Welcome to the world of Tesla, where innovation meets reality. Ever wondered how these electric marvels come to life? Stay tuned as we take you from the factory floor to the showroom. Ah, Tesla. You know, the electric car company. The one that's been making waves in the automotive world, run by that Elon Musk chap. They've certainly made a splash, haven't they? From launching rockets to building electric cars, he's a man on a mission. I mean, electric cars used to be about as exciting as watching paint dry. They were slow, had limited range, and let's be honest, they weren't exactly stylish. But Tesla, they've made them cool, fast, and just a bit different. The Model S, for instance, can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, which, let's face it, is always more interesting. It's not just about speed, though, it's about innovation at every level. When Tesla burst onto the scene, the car industry took notice, big time. Traditional automakers were suddenly scrambling to catch up. Here was this upstart doing things differently, using cutting-edge technology and fresh ideas to disrupt the status quo, challenging the established order, and people loved it. Consumers were excited about the prospect of driving something new and revolutionary. Suddenly, electric wasn't just sensible and eco-friendly, it was exciting. It was the future. People began to see electric cars as a viable, even preferable alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. Tesla's success isn't just about the cars, though. It's about the whole package. The way they integrate technology into every aspect of their business is remarkable, from how they're made to how they're sold. Tesla has redefined the car buying experience, making it more streamlined and customer-friendly, from factory floor to showroom door. Tesla is not just a car company, it's a movement, a revolution in the way we think about transportation. So, buckle up, we're answering all your burning questions along the way. Let's take a spin through the world of Tesla. Birth of a Tesla, inside the Gigafactory. This is where the magic happens, where innovation meets production. Tesla's factories aren't your granddad's car plants. They're a far cry from the noisy, greasy factories of the past. Forget greasy, clanky machines and assembly lines stretching into the distance. Here, everything is sleek, efficient, and almost otherworldly. Tesla's Gigafactories are like something out of a science fiction film. Imagine walking into a place where the future is being built right before your eyes. They're massive, sparkling clean, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Every corner of the factory is designed for maximum efficiency and precision. The process starts with raw materials, steel, aluminum, glass. These are the building blocks of every Tesla vehicle. All the bits and bobs that make a car, well, a car. Each component is meticulously crafted and inspected. These materials arrive at the Gigafactory, ready to be transformed. It's a seamless process, almost like a well-choreographed dance. It's a bit like a very high-tech bakery. The raw ingredients come in and out come perfectly formed products. Only instead of cakes, they're churning out electric cars. Each vehicle is a marvel of modern engineering. Factory worker, inside the factory, robots dance around like something out of a disco. Their movements are precise, almost graceful. These aren't your clunky industrial robots of old. They're advanced, intelligent machines designed for perfection. These are sleek, precise machines. They handle intricate tasks with ease, ensuring every car is built to the highest standards. They lift, weld, and assemble parts with incredible accuracy. It's a symphony of technology and engineering. It's quite a sight to behold. The future of car manufacturing is here, and it's more impressive than we ever imagined. Robots, batteries, and gigacasting, Tesla's manufacturing magic. Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry with its innovative manufacturing techniques. One of Tesla's big innovations is gigacasting. This groundbreaking method has transformed the way cars are built. It's a fancy way of saying they make huge parts of the car in one go. Instead of assembling multiple smaller parts, Tesla uses this technique to create large single pieces. Using massive casting machines, they create large sections of the car's body. This not only speeds up the production process, but also enhances the structural integrity of the vehicles. This simplifies the production process and makes the cars stronger. Then there's the battery. The battery is a crucial component in any electric vehicle, the heart of any electric car. Tesla's commitment to battery technology is unparalleled. Tesla's battery technology is some of the most advanced in the world. They have invested heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the competition. They pack a lot of power into a small space. This compact design allows for more efficient use of space within the vehicle, and they're constantly working to improve their range and efficiency. Tesla's engineers are always looking for ways to extend the distance their cars can travel on a single charge. The whole process is a marvel of automation and innovation. From the initial design to the final product, every step is meticulously planned. It's like watching a giant, well-oiled machine. The precision and coordination involved are truly impressive. Every step is carefully planned and executed with precision. This ensures that each vehicle meets Tesla's high standards of quality and performance. Engineer, it's amazing to see how every component comes together. The synergy between different parts and processes is what makes Tesla's manufacturing so unique. The technology behind our batteries is cutting edge, and we're always pushing the boundaries to make them better. Continuous improvement is at the core of Tesla's philosophy. From the gigacasting to the final assembly, it's a seamless process that ensures top-notch quality. Every car that rolls off the assembly line is a testament to Tesla's commitment to excellence. The end result is a vehicle that not only performs exceptionally well but also looks stunning. Tesla's dedication to innovation and quality is evident in every car they produce. And the journey doesn't stop here. Tesla's engineers and designers are constantly brainstorming and working on new technologies to push the boundaries even further. With a vision for the future that includes even more advanced electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions, Tesla continues to lead the way in automotive innovation. Quality control, putting Teslas to the test. Before any Tesla leaves the factory, it goes through rigorous testing. They're put through their paces on test tracks. They're subjected to extreme temperatures, all to ensure they meet Tesla's high standards. Tesla even uses over-the-air software updates to improve their cars. It's like getting a mini upgrade for your car, beamed directly from Tesla HQ. This allows them to fix bugs, improve performance, and even add new features. Once a Tesla passes all the tests, it's ready for the next stage of its journey, from the factory floor to the open road, and eventually, to its new owner. Section 5. From factory to the open road. Tesla's logistics game. Getting a car from the factory to the customer is a logistical ballet. And Tesla does things a bit differently here too.
They've streamlined the process, cutting out the middleman. Finished cars are loaded onto trucks, trains, or ships. Tesla has a global network of transportation hubs. This ensures that cars are delivered to customers as quickly and efficiently as possible. Tesla even uses its own fleet of trucks to transport cars. These trucks are often spotted on highways. Their sleek, futuristic designs turning heads wherever they go.
Section 6. Destination Showroom. Tesla showrooms are a far cry from your typical car dealership. They're sleek, minimalist spaces, more akin to Apple stores than car lots.
You won't find pushy salespeople or rows upon rows of identical cars. Instead, you'll find knowledgeable product specialists. They're there to answer your questions and help you configure your dream Tesla. You can even take a test drive and experience the thrill of a Tesla firsthand. Tesla showrooms are designed to be an immersive experience, a place where you can learn about the brand, the technology, and the future of mobility.
Section 7. Showrooms more than just cars. But Tesla showrooms aren't just about selling cars. They're also a place for Tesla owners to connect. Many showrooms host events, workshops, and meetups. It's a chance for Tesla enthusiasts to share their passion for the brand and learn from each other. Tesla understands that buying a car is just the beginning of the journey. They want to create a community around their brand, a tribe of Tesla owners who are passionate about the future of mobility. Section 8. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model, a bold move. Tesla also shakes things up when it comes to selling their cars. They were one of the first car companies to embrace a direct-to-consumer model. This means they sell their cars directly to customers, bypassing traditional dealerships. This approach has its advantages. It allows Tesla to control the entire customer experience. From the moment you first express interest in a Tesla to the day you take delivery of your new car. It also means that Tesla can set their own prices. No more haggling with salespeople. The price you see online is the price you pay. Section 9. The future of car buying is Tesla leading the charge. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model has ruffled some feathers in the traditional car industry, but there's no denying that it's been successful. Other car companies are now starting to follow suit, experimenting with their own online sales platforms. Whether or not Tesla's model is the future of car buying remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, Tesla has forced the car industry to rethink the way it does business. Section 10. Tesla's impact beyond the cars. Tesla's impact extends far beyond the cars themselves. They've played a major role in popularizing electric vehicles, they've pushed the boundaries of automotive technology, and they've forced the entire car industry to up its game. But Tesla's influence goes even further. They've inspired a new generation of car buyers. People who are looking for more than just a way to get from A to B. They're looking for cars that are stylish, sustainable, and technologically advanced. Section 11. Conclusion: the Tesla revolution rolls on. From their cutting-edge factories to their sleek showrooms, Tesla is doing things differently. They're challenging the status quo and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And they're not showing any signs of slowing down. Whether you're a die-hard petrol head or just curious about the future of mobility, there's no denying that Tesla is a company to watch. They're leading the charge into a new era of automotive innovation. And the ride promises to be very interesting indeed.